In this video, I will show you how to add another Instagram account on one device on Instagram. Okay, alright, let's get started. So if you want to add another account to your device on Instagram, you just need to go to your Instagram profile, then click on your Instagram name. So for example, my Instagram name is Media Next. I will click on Media Next, and as you can see, I already have a second account over here. So I want to add another Instagram account to this device. You just need to click over here on add account. Then you can choose if you want to log in into existing account, or you can create new account. So for example, I will start with create new account. Then you can put your username over here. So for example, like that. Then put your password over here and click on next, and your second Instagram account will be added to your device. Okay, that's easy and simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video.